Good morning or good evening. I don't know. Today, chicken thigh. How to cut chicken thigh? My hair is just in-house, not professional kitchen, but the knife is my professional knife. This is Japanese called sabaki. Today, how to cut chicken thigh? This is chicken thigh. How to cut Japanese type fillet. Japanese type fillet. Make Japanese type fillet. まず this is chicken thigh. Chicken thigh has a bone. Here straight and ここ joint and then straight. まず first この bone inside. Knife is little bit downside cut. Alright? Like this. Then here also bone inside. Like this. One more. Then now このチキンこのボンね。ボン。Now outside. Knife also little bit inside. Cut. Like this. Here more cut. All cut okay. And here has a meat. Little bit meat. And meat take out. Like this. Little bit like this. Alright? Then chicken thigh. Here is called solitis ですね。solitis. Here is the most nice point. Nice, delicious. solitis か。ね。Here this is important. Not broken. ね。Here also knife underside inside cut. Like this. Okay. Like this. Solid. It's okay. This is important. Here, cut. Like this. Here is a joint. Understand? Or joint. The joint upside cut. Like this. Soft bone. Like this. Okay. Hair bone cut. Two type. How to cut two type. まず one type. Like this. Underside. Here. Mid. Okay. Half cut ね。half っていうのはこう example meat. Like this, just half ね。Here half cut. Okay? Like this. One more half. Like this. Then, now chicken fillet. Now I do shape up. まずこの脳にいるスキンテイクアウト。チェック、ボーン。This is a soft bone. Soft bone also no need. Soft bone like this. Soft bone take up. Here deep fry. Here deep fry after salt and pepper. Delicious. Long time deep fry. Crispy. Make crispy. It's okay. Then after check bone. This is also bone. Understand? Small bone take out. Check after take out. Okay. Finger check. Finger for chicken bone check. Lot skin take out. Okay. like this. This is how to make fillet, chicken thigh fillet, like this. Inside, like this. Just one more. Okay, one more. 次は no talk. As you see. Before I talk, other cut here, like this. Chop. Bone crush. Then like this. Bone crush. Okay, take out bone. Then after here cut. Two type. Then after same, just shape up and check the bone. それです。OK? それです。OK? Small bone. Also, take a finger check. Finger for check bone. Soft bone. Bone, nothing. Like this. Thank you, everybody. Just see you. Bye.